Our next application is filtering data. For this, we select the data we need to filter, select data, and select create a filter. Now as you can see this icon, to see the filter options we click on this option. Now we have a number of filter conditions available to us. We can filter by color if we have highlighted different rows. We can filter by condition. The next important feature is filtering data. For this, we select the desired data to be filtered, select data, and then select create a filter. On the topmost row, an icon appears. We click on this to choose our filter options. Here, you can filter by color if you have highlighted the cells. You can filter by condition. For example, I want to filter the data if the marks are greater than 20. And then select OK. As you can see, all the marks more than 20 have now been filtered. To remove this filter, we again go to data and select turn off filter. The next interesting application of Google Sheets that we see is the creation of automatic lists or series. For this, we first enter texts, numbers or dates in at least 2 cells next to each other in a row or a column. Here, as an example, I'm just going to copy paste a few examples. Here, I have taken a series of dates, then a arithmetic series, a number of names, and then to show how formulas are created, a sum problem. Then we select these cells and then drag the icon that occurs on the bottom right hand corner. Now as you can see here, the formula is G115 plus H15. Similarly, here the formula is G16 plus H16. As you can see, if the cells form a series of dates or numbers, the series will continue across the selected cells. However, if the cells don't form a series of dates or numbers, the list of values will simply repeat across the selected cells. Now to check, here as you can see, the formula has been customized to include G21 and H21. The next application that we look into is data validation. Data validation is used to create an in-cell drop-down list and facilitates the process of entering data if the list of data to be entered remains the same. To use this application, I am just going to create an additional column. Now, we select the cells we desire to include a drop-down list in. Then select the data button and then select data validation from the drop-down list. Next to criteria, we choose a desired option. We have list of range, list of items, number, text, date, or custom formula, etc. Here I am going to select a list of items. Now, usually for selection of items from the list, each cell has an icon on the top right hand corner. If you want to remove this icon, you can uncheck the Show drop-down list in cell. If you want people to only enter items from the list, you can choose Reject Input next to On Invalid Data, or alternatively choose to show a warning in case the input doesn't match the items in the list. To remove the drop-down list, we select Remove Validation from the Data button on the menu bar. Now, as you can see, a drop-down list is created in each cell, and you can select the item you want to enter. Now we've reached the end. The final step is downloading the file. For this, on the top left hand corner of the document, we select File and select Download As. Here we have a number of file types to choose from. .xlsx is a file extension for downloading the sheet in Microsoft Excel format. Similarly, PDF stands for Portable Document Format. Essentially, the format is used when you need to save files that cannot be modified but still need to be easily shared and printed.